Hi guys, I'm going to work through some problems from homework number 8. For the first 4 problems, everything is based off of the same equation here. And so it says the region bounded by x equals y squared. We know that that's a sideways parabola. It's going to open to the right. And x equals 9, which is just going to be a vertical line here. It's going to go through 9. And then what we're supposed to do is find the volume of the solid that has this base and every cross-section perpendicular to the x-axis. As we remember, that means dx has the given shape. So for this first one, I'm going to draw my xy axis. It's going to be a sideways parabola opening to the right. I have x equals 9. And then I'm just going to shade that in or highlight that in right here. Now what I'm supposed to do is come up with the volume of the cross-section that is a square for this problem. So I have volume equals integral. Remember right here, it's always going to be the area of whatever shape we're talking about. In this case, we're talking about a square, which we know that the area is side squared. Oh, what happened? Okay. And because we're going around the x-axis, this is going to be a dx. My boundaries along the x-axis are 0 to 9. And then to figure out what this side is for the square, I'm going to say area equals something squared. Well, I know that it is perpendicular to the x-axis. So here's my x-axis. The side of my square, please make sure it goes all the way through your highlighted area. That entire thing is the side of my square. Now, my equation is going to be x equals y squared, which another way we can think of that is y equals plus or minus the square root of x. That's the same thing. And so if I'm talking about top minus bottom to find my side, I know that the top of this equation is the square root of x, and the bottom of this equation is negative the square root of x. And so in my side right here, top minus the bottom was negative root x. And so what I'm looking at is root x plus root x, which is 2 root x, quantity squared, or 4x. That's going to go right here. And then at that point, we can just punch that right into our calculator. I hope that helps to get you set up to do the rest of the page.